I like to move it to. For the first activity, it's required 3 times for 20 minutes. Read to self and practice your power goal. Be sure to check the boxes after each reading. Work on writing narrative. Required 20 minutes, learning and practice. BrainPop Jr. Types of sentences. Go to Reading and Writing, Sentences, and then click on Types of Sentences. Then complete the Types of Sentences quiz located in the resource area. This is independent or pair. Be sure to reflect when done. Required 20-minute practice. Using your Foursquare plan, write a narrative draft telling a story about a time you played a fun game. This is independent. Reflect when done. Optional activity, 10 minutes. Upload a video to Seesaw reading your draft about a time you played a fun game. This is independent. Reflect when done. Reading comprehension. Required 20 minutes practice. Read The Future Runner with your assigned partner. Then complete the sheet using the information for the partner play. This is pair work. Reflect when done. Required 15-minute practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Write the title in the blank. Then take the quiz. Write down your score in the blank provided. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Foundational skills. Val teams OA and EE. Required 20-minute practice. Green readers, read it, draw it activity. Blue readers complete the EE and OA word builder activity. And red readers complete the EE and OA word builder and sentences. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Required 10-minute practice. Using a computer, complete the Symbaloo word building and sorting lesson, long E. This will be located in their CWTES website. Click on Students, Second Grade, and then long E sound. This is located in the second row. It's the second teal box. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Required 5-minute practice activity. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Social studies. Choice 15 minutes. Learning. Read the Native Americans game text or scan the QR code to listen to the Native Americans games text. This is independent work or pair work. Reflect when done. Required 15-minute practice. Answer the Native American games questions in the resource area. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Healthy Living Notebook. Choice 20-minute learning activity. Go to BrainPop Jr. and review the Bones video. Click on All Movies, Health, Bodies, and then click on Bones. Then complete the skeleton page on your Healthy Living Notebook. Or read page 196 to 197 in Science Fusion. Then complete the skeleton page in your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair work. Reflect when done. Choice 20-minute learning. Stomach. Read page 195 in Science Fusion, then complete the stomach page in your Healthy Living Notebook. Or watch the stomach video using a QR code, then complete the stomach page in your Healthy Living Notebook. Muscles. This is a choice 20-minute learning activity. Go to BrainPop Jr. and review the video on muscles. Click on All Movies, Health, Bodies, and then click on Muscles. Then complete the muscles page on your Healthy Living Notebook page. Or you can read page 196 through 197 in Science Fusion. Then complete the muscles page in your Healthy Living Notebook. This is independent or pair. Reflect when done. Choice. Read Brain, Lungs, and Heart from the resource area. Then complete the memory game activity in the resource area and take a picture to upload to Seesaw. Or scan the QR code and listen to Brain, Lungs, and Heart. Then complete the memory game activity in the resource area and take a picture to upload to Seesaw. This is a 20-minute practice activity. This can be done independently or small group or pair. Reflect when done. Optional, 5 minutes. On Epic, watch the Food into Energy and Bones in Your Body videos. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Second grade scientist. Required 5-minute practice activity. Scan the QR code to take the Quizzes Science Tools quiz. Quizzes code is 278578. This is independent work. Reflect when done. Good luck!